Children, in comprehension, you have to read the passage carefully, and while writing the word meanings, you have to be very careful to not write long sentences. Write the meaning according to the tenses. You can use phrases to convey the meaning. Then while solving the question answers, just be very careful. Write the correct sentence in proper tense and English. Children, in this question, fill in the numbered blanks with correct form of word given in brackets. Do not copy the passage, but you have to write the words in correct serial order. The word could be a simple word or a phrase. Then next is, please maintain a proper tense. So you should change. There should be a change of tense according to the context. So revise all the concepts of grammar from your book. Practice these passages in your workbook. Thank you. Now prepositions have multiple uses. So you can have this list of prepositions over here. Practice a lot. After going through the prepositions, please do these assignments so that you get enough practice for prepositions. Please understand the difference between things at rest and things in motion. And then according to the sentence, fill in the prepositions. Children, this is another question based on joining the sentences without the use of and, but or so. So while you join it, you should not use and, but or so. And, but or so are coordinating conjunctions. So instead of coordinating conjunctions, you have to use subordinating conjunctions like although, though, therefore, as, etc. So according to the purpose, place, manner, time, condition, contrast, reason, you can make use of conjunctions. Thank you. Now, do as directed is the last question, which is based on all the aspects of grammar. All the topics of grammar are covered in this do as directed question. For this, please practice grammar and vocabulary properly. For proper understanding of this grammar, you need to practice a lot of assignments, exercises. Please read books, newspapers, periodicals regularly. Practice grammar. Read the instructions given on the question paper attentively and read through the paper on completion to avoid mistakes. And when you take note of keywords in a sentence, you have to pay attention to language and correct spellings, punctuation and grammar. This is very important in this part of the paper. Please prepare well.